Congratulations on your new solar installation and welcome to the Core Energy Advocator app. Our state-of-the-art Core Energy Advocator app will allow you to monitor your home's solar energy production and consumption data, keep track of your system's overall health, as well as refer any family and friends to Core Energy. Download the app in the link below, enter company code 4606 and then create an account. Enphase Energy Integrated. Our Core Energy Advocator app allows you to monitor your home's solar energy production through the Enphase Energy Monitoring Portal, directly integrated in the app for easy use. From the home screen, simply click on the menu bars on the upper left-hand corner, select Monitoring, and then select Enphase Energy. Then log into your account where you will see all your production data. Keep tabs on your system's per-panel production. Our Advocator app allows you to monitor your energy production in live time. It displays your per-panel energy production and your system's overall health to ensure optimal performance. Make energy make sense. Now that you know what your system is producing, find out what your home is consuming. Our Sense integration allows you to monitor your home's energy consumption by detecting the amount of energy each device in your home uses. It identifies their unique electrical signals and categorizes them for you. From the home screen, simply click on the menu bars on the upper left-hand corner, select Monitoring, and then select Sense. Alexa, ask Sense how much energy my system is producing.
Your home is producing 6,631 watts.
That's right. Your system is now compatible with Alexa. You can simply ask Alexa for a daily update on your system, and she will do the rest. Refer family and friends. Do you have a curious neighbor who has been asking you questions about your new solar installation? Or maybe a family member who is constantly troubled with their electric bill? Well, this is the perfect moment for you to refer them to Core Energy through our referral system in the Advocator app. For every qualified solar consult you send our way, you will receive a $25 referral fee, even if they don't sign up. That's just our way of saying thanks. For every signed contract that you refer, you will receive a $500 bonus. Pretty cool, right? From the home screen, simply click on the menu bars on the upper left corner and select Advocator Wallet to set up your bank account information. Referral fees and bonuses are paid directly through the app. Then, to add a referral, simply click on the menu bars on the upper left-hand corner and select Add Referrals. Referral fees and bonus terms and conditions apply. Congratulations! You are now a Core Energy Advocator and have the power to monitor and optimize your home's energy consumption, your solar system's production, and help friends and family make the smart switch to solar. You are now at the forefront of the bright future of solar energy.